All right, Steve, thanks. We're in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen, and today our friend Heather Berryhill is cooking up a healthy side dish, smashed Brussels sprouts.
Hi, Heather Berryhill here. Welcome back to my home kitchen. Okay, today I've got a 5-ingredient Brussels sprout recipe that's just going to make your life easy, and it's super delicious. I'm going to show you how I make it, so let's go. So I've got a couple pounds of Brussels sprouts here, and I'm just going to get them cleaned up before I put them into a big pot of boiling water. I'm just chopping off the stems, taking all the loose leaves off, and getting them ready to go in. So I've got a pot of boiling water here. I'm just going to lightly season the water before I put the Brussels sprouts in. We're just going to let those go for about 8 minutes or until they're fork tender. And now I'm just going to put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking and to cool them down slightly so I can handle them. Now I'm going to go ahead and drain the Brussels sprouts. I have poured all of the Brussels sprouts onto 2 cookie sheets. I do that because I want them to have enough room around them to bake. Now I'm just going to take a paper towel and just lightly pat them dry. I'm going to give these a generous coating of olive oil on both trays. And then I'm going to take them and just kind of roll them around in the olive oil. I'm just going to give them a toss in that olive oil. Evenly coat each one. I have a tiny little mason jar. If you don't have one this small, you can use the back of a knife, the end of a glass, but I just like to take each one and give them a good smash. I've got my Brussels sprouts on my cookie sheet spread out a little bit with just that olive oil. I'm going to put them into a preheated 425-degree oven for about 10 minutes. While the Brussels sprouts are roasting, I'm going to go ahead and zest 2 lemons. Next up, I just took these out of the oven. I'm just going to sprinkle each one with a little bit of my all-time favorite seasoning, everything but the bagel. It is so good. Sprinkle each one just slightly, and then we're going to top it with some other goodies and put them back in the oven for a little bit more roasting. Now I'm going to top each one with just a little bit of lemon zest. Now I'm going to top each one with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. I like to use a really good quality cheese for this. Okay, these came out of the oven. I let them cool slightly. I'm just going to take my spatula and kind of loosen up on the bottom. Listen to that crunch. I'm telling you guys, these are so delicious. I'm going to start plating these. I like to use a little bit of that crunchy Parmesan cheese. Oh, so delicious. So there you have it, smashed Brussels sprouts with a little bit of lemon zest and some Parmesan cheese. Perfect maybe for an Easter side. For more recipes like this, go to the resource.com website or follow me on Instagram at JustMe, Heather B.